Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are talking about the one topic that is currencies. In this topic, we are discussing one dangerous topic that is idea. And what is idea? That basically we have already discussed. That potato and tomato is the best example. If anybody asks what actually the idea is, then basically this example is the best example. If this example basically can be given in the Harvard, Oxford, basically wherever, whatever basically the big colleges basically are using the word basically idea. If anybody asks the question basically what actually the idea is, so this is the best example. In this is basically in simple language example basically I have taken in the simple language. In Oxford, Harvard, basically they can basically use the tough level English words basically example basically. Tough means very tough English level example, but the meaning should not change basically. So like this, here basically we are talking about one idea that actually is this railway track. This is the most dangerous idea basically. One of the idea basically you can say, which is created by some group basically. That which group basically that need to find in the Google basically. Google is there, Lycos is there, many websites basically. You can search in Rediff also basically. Because Rediff is basically older than the Google basically. So like this basically things are there. So 120, 111 to 120 planets basically they created the planets basically, and they basically are sending the data to the track and the train basically. So here what actually the thing is basically what things basically the doctor basically, how basically doctor knows that basically that this blood basically we have to create, these are the data, this data basically you need to create, and how they create that basically. For that, one of the person told that that city you can see, yeah, that city I can see. You can see that city, yes, basically I can see, or basically why basically you are telling that I can't see that city. That city basically is used for this blood creation purpose. That is basically the 20 lakh people basically are going to use these blood cells, sorry, going to generate these blood cells on the base of this city basically. And this city basically has generated when human needs, that is some vegetables and some fruits and some lots of things basically they have generated. So that foods only basically they have to take. And literally I'm telling you the Bollywood group basically use this type of products basically because their task is basically this only basically, to check each and every stuff basically, and they basically connects with the incidents like this, each and everything basically they do it. So like this he told that this is the human needs basically which this 20 lakh people is supposed to have, this 20 lakh supposed to have basically. So just see basically the mall industry basically, who basically say that basically we are into the mall industry, how basically they might be managing this whole thing basically. Lots of people says that यार mall industry में तो क्या रखा है, just we have to take the product from the company and just we have to sell the product, that's all basically. But this also is the very dangerous stuff basically, not dangerous but very dangerous. So how basically who might be managing? The factory group might be managing, or basically the mall group, industry basically, or the shopkeepers basically group basically might be managing, or the nuclear power company basically group be managing. Because small industry it's very difficult to manage, because 20 lakh people basically they can't stay in one city, right? Mostly basically they will never stay in the one city. Otherwise basically then something happened to that city basically, then entire railway industry will be get in trouble. So one city basically is not suggestible. So the people basically stays in different cities and different areas also basically. That 20 lakh people. 20 lakh people basically stays in different cities also. So like this basically things basically are there. So they like this basically the mall industry mostly basically might not be controlled, and they basically it's not possible them to control this type of data basically. They can control that this is the factory item basically, and this is the stock basically, and they will finish this stock, and according to the timeline basically they will finish the stock, but they can't categorize the stock basically. That will be very 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 difficult basically. Not difficult basically, but very difficult. So that type of thing basically, mall industry basically it's not possible, and online industry also basically they can't handle, because this type of information you can't leak to the private industry basically. And mostly government also basically, many less government basically might be knowing about this data basically. So this is not possible for mall industry and for the retail industry basically. So the possibility is, the things basically, the nuclear power company and the energy company and the power company, they have the list, because they basically can't leave the country. Like, have you ever seen basically any person basically who say that basically, who are basically connected with the power company like TCS, Tata Group is there, he will say that basically I will leave the country, or basically I can't handle this whole thing basically. Have you ever heard that basically Tata will say that I am leaving this country by? Anybody बस Reliance like person basically will say मैं तो भाई निकल रहा हूँ यहाँ से, I can't handle this more pressure basically. ONGC will say basically I am leaving India. They can't say. Why? Because they are connected with the government basically. The government is paying that much money that they basically can have nice luxurious life basically. So then they basically don't need to go here there and for searching for the data basically. So just see basically up to what level things basically are connected. So that group basically have the data, and they basically, the government say that basically this group will never misuse the data basically. They are never going in, even the government also basically is not going to misuse the data basically. So that's why Universe Group and Satellite Group basically say that basically this group are perfect group basically, and Universe Group and Satellite Group says that basically we trusted this group basically. They will never do the bad things basically. They will never do the bad. Like this, the data basically given to like this basically the data is given to the data is given to the nuclear power company and energy company basically. But how they do the mapping basically? Because the people basically who are into the train energy generation, they basically don't know that they have to eat this, they have to eat that basically. So in that basically, example basically, one example basically told by one person that whatever foods basically they are eating, in that basically we will dump our data also basically. That is the train data basically. This is the only way basically, and they have the address of the entire 20 lakh people basically, and they will do one thing, they will do this data information basically. So nuclear power company and energy company group will say that, and they will say that basically, yeah, basically we will do this stuff basically. So you can give the data of 20 lakh people to us, and we are going to send the data, and you will get the train energy data periodically as per your requirement basically. And the 110 to 111 to 110 to 120 planets is already created, and keep increasing the data basically. The reason is the speed also basically of the train basically gets increased. So like this basically nuclear power company, energy company basically taken the responsibility of this basically. Taken the responsibility of this. So mall industry basically can't handle up to that level basically. Because up to that level basically, if you are on handle basically, then basically you have to restrict the public basically. Take data from here only. Take data. That basically is not possible, because India is democratic city basically. Country basically. So that type of things basically are there basically. So it's very difficult. That's why basically the nuclear power company, energy company and power company keeps the data, because they can't run now basically. They will never run from the country basically. They will never run. like Tata, Ambani's and ONGC group, they can't run from the country. In next video, we are going to see a little bit more of this.